CES 2025 is in full swing, and we're here at the MSI booth to check out the latest and greatest in gaming tech. From cutting-edge gaming laptops to jaw-dropping desktops and peripherals, MSI is pushing the boundaries of what's possible for gamers. Let's dive in and explore how they're setting the stage for the future of gaming. MSI's gaming laptops are still in the spotlight with their latest upgrades to their Raider, Vector, and Stealth series, all powered by NVIDIA's 50 series GPUs and packed with cutting-edge performance features. And for those looking for something truly epic, the limited edition Titan 18HX Dragon Edition Norse Myth combines Nordic-inspired artistry with unparalleled power, setting a new standard for gaming innovation. And as expected, MSI was also showcasing their new desktop NVIDIA GeForce RTX 50 series graphics cards, featuring cutting-edge designs including Supreme Liquid, Supreme, Vanguard, Gaming Trio, Ventus, and Inspire. Next up is MSI's Claw 8 AI Plus, the world's first handheld powered by Intel's Lunar Lake CPU, featuring an 8-inch Full HD Plus display with a 16:10 aspect ratio, 120Hz refresh rate, and VRR. This device is built for smooth, immersive gaming. It's packed with 32GB of memory and boasts MSI's upgraded Cooler Boost HyperFlow cooling, which redirects airflow to cool internal components, ensuring top-tier performance even during intense gaming sessions. They've also redesigned the controls with advanced Hall effect joysticks and triggers for better precision, more tactile feedback on the bumpers, and upgraded buttons and a D-pad for an enhanced gaming experience. It definitely felt good in hand, and the controls did feel more refined. They also updated their MSI Center M software, which offers an improved UI for easy access to your settings, tools, and games. And with two Thunderbolt 4 ports, you can connect it like a mini PC, complete with integrated Copilot Plus capabilities. And thanks to the power-efficient Lunar Lake processor, MSI claims you can get up to 4 hours of playtime on the 80-watt battery, depending on the game, but we'll have to test that for ourselves. When we asked about benchmarks, they shared that you can run Cyberpunk 2077 at 1080p, low settings, and you can get up to 60 FPS. That's impressive for a handheld device of this size. And for those seeking a more compact and affordable option, MSI is also offering the Claw 7 AI Plus. It's $100 cheaper. It features a smaller 7-inch screen with a 1920x1080 resolution and includes 512GB of storage, making it a great choice for gamers who want high performance in a more budget-friendly package.
So we're here at the MSI booth, and they have a couple of new monitors here. They have a 27-inch 1440p monitor, but it's 500 Hertz. So for those FPS games, high refresh rate, and it's QD-OLED. It's a really beautiful monitor. G-Sync, it's DisplayPort 2.1. So we move in down here, they have a 32-inch QD-OLED monitor. It's 4K at 32 inches. This one, refresh rate, or this one's 240 as well. This one's also in the black or the space gray. It also has like charging. It's got a KVM switch on it. Really nice monitors coming here from MSI. And those QD-OLED monitors, we might have to upgrade the office.
That wraps up our look at the incredible gaming tech from MSI at CES 2025. From cutting-edge laptops and groundbreaking handhelds to innovative peripherals, MSI is clearly raising the bar for gamers everywhere. Let us know in the comments which products caught your eye the most, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss any of our CES coverage. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.